Hi, my name's Joe, and I'm going to demonstrate this Model 39 Volvo Penta sail outboard. It's pretty much in perfect shape, except the only thing that's wrong with it is this here is broke off there. We just did the clean the points and set them, and did a few other things to kind of tune it up so it's ready to go in your boat. It's air cooled, so you don't have to worry about the water pump and all that. I'm just going to tighten this up a little bit here, and then we can fire it up. They are a little bit on the rare side, but I do stock parts for them. You can check out my website, theoutboardguy.com. I have a lot of different Volvo Penta and Volvo Archimedes parts on there as well. So let's go ahead and give this guy a shot here. Turn the petcock on. Alright. Vent the fuel tank. Pull the choke. And the current temperature in here is, it looks like it's 32 degrees in here right now. So keep that in mind. It's got tremendous compression. Oops, I guess I gotta put it on start. And it has the 12-volt generator on it too, which is kind of cool. Almost. Yay! So we make engines that start good. And there you have it, folks. One Volvo Penta Model 39.